Kareem. What's up, mate? Salman. Nothing special. Preparing food. Kareem. Tell me one thing. Whenever I call, you are either preparing food, washing utensils, or washing clothes. What's the matter, mate? Salman. A man alone obviously has such a problem. Kareem. You are right. When I lived separate, even I wasn't able to have a spare time. The whole day was busy into household work. Salman. Not to worry. It's just a matter time. And anyways, it is a matter of only a few days. Then I am going my hometown, I would enjoy. Kareem. Enjoy without me is impossible. Is there any such friend as I am, who makes you enjoy? Salman. Not really, but time is killed with family members. My sister's little baby is there too. I play with him, time just flies. Kareem. You'll go home. I'll be alone. I will miss you a lot, friend. I'll come to see you sometimes, whenever I'll get time. Salman. Even I'll visit sometimes. Kareem. Leave it. Is the food prepared now? Salman. Almost done. Kareem. Call me after having food, okay? All right then. Bye.